What's up, America, United States, what's up, world? I don't know how big this is gonna get. It's my first video, so it's like, today I would like to speak on jerking. Alright, I'm a jerker myself, you know what I'm saying? But, I'm tired of these people battling and they think they win because they did a backflip, you know what I'm saying? This ain't Power Rangers. You know what I'm saying? You don't do you ain't in the circus. People don't go, oh, whoa, just because you did a backflip, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know if it's just me. I mean, I hear from a lot of people, but I don't know if it's just me because I can't do a backflip. But when people do a flip, it's like so amazing. Like, oh, they automatically win because they did a flip. And the flips is not jerking. California very rarely see people doing flips and stuff when they jerk. And it's out here because people can't jerk like they do in California out here. So they gotta make up some kind of way to make it look tight, you know what I'm saying? Make it look nice, you know what I'm saying? And like, yeah, people breakdancing, putting breakdancing and jerking. It's not jerking. What the? Please, just stop. Just stop. If you do a backflip in the battle, you know what I'm saying? It's cool, but it's not gonna win you the battle. Footwork, just cleanness, and you know what I'm saying? Shout out to TGIF, shout out to Heavy Hitters Mob, first and foremost Heavy Hitters Mob, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mookie's new crew, Crayola Kids, Voltrons, them Hunnits, all y'all. If I missed TMNJ, all y'all. If I missed out, I'm sorry. Knowledge Kids, they want to function out here, you know what I'm saying? But if you do a backflip in the battle, you don't win. It's JB. I'm out. Stay up. Live lava live. Peace.